I'm going to start working on the hatchet restoration. I'm going to try to save this handle. I mean, I can buy a new handle, but it does have a crack here. I'm going to sand it down a little bit and see where the crack goes. First thing, it looks like they used old metal nails rather than a proper wedge in this thing, so I'm going to try to take out these nails first, and then we'll work on the head and then on the handle. Actually, it did move just a little bit. Got one out. That was too easy. My next house is going to have a workbench. I'm tired of working off the back of my truck every time we've got to do something. These other ones don't look like they're going to be as easy. Just take it out. These other ones have a little bit of a lip on them. If I can get a screwdriver underneath one of these lips. Her head is probably the proper term for the head of the nail. Glad this thing's not sharp. If I could just get these two nails separated somehow. It really needs a vise. chewed that up pretty good. Guess I won't be able to use this one again. Here's a piece of... Oh well, at least I have a profile for the other one. I'm bummed I couldn't use this again. So, looks like somebody had hammered metal with this. I don't know if you can see it that well, but it's like rolled over here on the edges. I've seen other guys that are doing axe restorations use like a belt sander, which I don't own. I do own some electric hand sanders. I'll try it with that and see if I can't smooth that out. I'm going to be careful not to mess up the word craftsman. And then I'm going to clean this up, put a new handle on it, and make a sheath for it too. Alright, stay tuned.